Now, I want you to see how easily my hair brushes out after using those two products. Since I have fine hair, my hair is actually rather tangly prone, but after using the proper leave-in products, my hair brushes out extremely easily.
Welcome back. I'm Laura. I'm a hairstylist, and today I'm going to walk you through my regular hair wash routine. And this is my hair care routine that I do 90% of the time. This is how I maintain my hair to be extremely soft and healthy, even though it is lightened quite a bit.
So these are the shampoos and conditioners that I'm going to be using today. I am using a purple shampoo and conditioner because I'm blonde and I like to maintain the tone of my hair. And the other shampoo and conditioner I'm using are for scalp care. Now, I'm a pretty oily person, so I regularly like to use a medicated shampoo and conditioner just so I don't get dandruff or an itchy scalp. But I do sometimes switch these out for different kinds of shampoos if I just want to test something new out. Now, when you're using multiple shampoos and conditioners, there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. You can either perform two separate shampoos or you can mix them together. Today, I am mixing them together, but if my hair is exceptionally dirty or if I'm performing an Olaplex number 3 treatment, I will shampoo my hair two separate times. If I'm performing an Olaplex number 3 treatment, I will use the scalp care shampoo first to get my hair clean, and then I will follow it with the purple shampoo after I've performed the Olaplex treatment. Now, both of these shampoos should sit on your scalp for about 5 minutes, so I'll typically move on to my next step in the shower, like washing my body, and then I'll move on to the conditioner. And with the conditioner, I do the same exact thing by mixing the scalp care with the purple conditioner. Now, I should note that when you are mixing purple shampoo with another shampoo, you are going to dilute it a little bit. And that is why I use Olaplex's purple shampoo and conditioner, because not only is it bond building, so it's strengthening your hair, but it's also very concentrated. So it's really strong, so it can afford to be diluted while still neutralizing the unwanted yellow in your hair. And again, it's best to let the conditioner sit on your hair for at least 5 minutes. So this is typically when I'll do a quick face mask. Now, it's very important to not use a large bath towel to wrap your hair into a turban and to instead use a small hand towel or hair towel, because this is going to put a lot less tension on your hair. Now, you should never vigorously rub your hair with a towel to dry it. I recommend always blotting the hair with the towel to remove any excess moisture. Now, I use multiple leave-in products after I get out of the shower, and this first one is Keratin Complex Keratin Obsessed Spray. This is a lightweight protein spray that will help repair and strengthen your hair, as well as fight frizz, increase shine, and improve manageability without weighing your hair down. And the second product that I'm using is Olaplex number 6, which is a bond smoother leave-in cream. And this as well helps to fight frizz, strengthen, and moisturize the hair. I always use two different forms of leave-in conditioners, whether it be a spray and a cream or a cream and an oil, but I always use two. And these will both protect my hair against humidity as well as the UV rays and heat from the blow dryer. Now, I want you to see how easily my hair brushes out after using those two products. Since I have fine hair, my hair is actually rather tangly prone, but after using the proper leave-in products, my hair brushes out extremely easily. Now, the last product that I'm using is Amika's Mixtape Violet Drops. And I typically use a little bit of these drops on any areas that might still have a little bit of yellow or brassiness in my hair. Since I use high lift color, my roots are typically a little bit brassier than the rest of my hair until I pull the color through a second time. So because of that, I typically just use these drops right at the root area to create a little bit more balance throughout the rest of my hair. Now, I like to let my hair air dry a good 75 to 80% of the way before blow drying it, and this helps to reduce frizz. I found that my blowouts are best when my hair has air dried a good amount, and then I go through and finish it off with the blow dryer and round brush. So typically I will do something else like put my makeup on or go eat something while I let my hair air dry a bit. Now, since my hair is naturally wavy, I prefer to blow dry my hair straight. The main reason I do this is because I do have quite a bit of tendonitis in my arms from being a hairstylist, so fully round brushing my hair regularly is just not a great option for me. So I just go through and I pull the hair straight with the blow dryer and the brush. Now, boar brushes are much better in my opinion than nylon brushes because they are so gentle on the hair. They also will pull and distribute oils and products from the root of your hair throughout the ends of your hair that need the excess moisture. So this increases shine and reduces breakage for healthier hair. I also typically like to start in the front of my hair and then work my way back, and this is because the front of my hair is finer and dries a little bit quicker, and the back of my hair typically takes a little bit longer to dry, so I save that area for the end. Now, I have found that my hair is actually healthier when I blow dry it regularly opposed to letting it air dry. And the reason for this is because the blow dryer will help to smooth my cuticle, which is the outer layer of your hair. So this is reducing frizz, as well as making my hair a little bit more manageable. I also get more volume when my hair is blow dried, and I can go longer between shampoos because my hair can absorb my natural oils a little bit better after being blow dried. I also don't need to iron my hair at all unless I want to add some curls in, which is not something I do on a regular basis. This keeps my hair extremely healthy because blow drying is much better for your hair than ironing it. And since I let my hair air dry most of the way, this whole blow drying process really doesn't take more than 5 to 10 minutes. This will obviously vary depending on your hair type, but if you let it air dry most of the way, you're saving yourself a lot of work and stress on your arms. So after I finish with the brush, I go through with my hands and the blow dryer just to feel the hair and make sure I didn't miss any spots and that every area is fully dried. Flipping your head upside down can also help to give you some added volume. And lastly, I finish the style off with a leave-in dry conditioner. This is a conditioner that comes in an aerosol spray similarly to how dry shampoo does. This spray is amazing to smooth out your hair, tame flyaways, as well as staticky hair. It also makes your hair feel a little bit less gritty after using dry shampoo. Now, the one that I'm using in this video has unfortunately been discontinued, but I have linked a few others in the description that are great alternatives.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this type of video, and I'll work on making a couple other similarly related videos. As always, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you want to make every day a good hair day.